Hey guys, it's Steffi here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Duo latex free false eyelash glue that I brought from Mecca. So let's jump straight into this one and see what we got and how well does this work. So I have gone and I have put it on my foundation, my primer, my concealer and my eyebrows. To be using today the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights Artistry palette. So I'm going to go and start off with some nice nudie kind of shimmery colours to start in the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with my Precision Shadow Brush by Sephora. I'm going to go with this shade here. This is called Vibing. Pop that one on the inner parts of my eyes. So we're just going to keep working this one out. It's called Strobin. So we're going to start off with this one right here. Pop that colour right next to this colour Vibing. And then next I'm going to add this colour here. This one is called Work the Room. I'm going to add that one next to this colour that we've just previously applied. And then I'm going to add this one here. So this one's called Attention Please. And as I'm going along as well, I'm just blending those colours out a little bit. So that's looking really, really cute. It's called Obsessive. It's really, really pretty, lightly. And we're going to add that little bit of smokiness on the edging. So I'm going to go in with this one called Flirt Alert. It's going to add those into this area here. That's that one there. I'm just going to go and do the same with the other side now. We're going in with the W7 Lip Twister. This is in the shade Lilac. So we're going to go and line these lips. Now don't mind the frizzy hair today, guys. I have literally just got from the shower and washed my hair. So it is like super frizzy. We have lined these lips. We're going to go in with this Stay Matte Rimmel lip color. This one is in the liquid lip of the shade Be My Baby or 700. So I ordered this one offline. This comes in a really, really pretty box. This is how I received it. I paid $13 for this eyelash glue. And this is how it comes in this cute little box with this little wrapping. Let's open this one up. So as you guys can see here, I got the Duo glue, but I also got a free sample as well. Perks of buying things online. So this free sample here is a body butter that is from Kate Burke. I think that's how you pronounce it. But this is the thing that I've been excited to buy because I haven't bought eyelash glue in like 2 years. The last eyelash glue that I had was it was a Revlon one that was on a stick as well, and that lasted me for like 3 to 5 years. It was like a long time. So I haven't brought eyelash glue in a long time. I've done a bit of research and I found that this is meant to be a really good product. There are so many eyelash glues out there, including ones that are not on sticks, and I just find that the stick one is better. So we're going to try this one now. But how cute is the packaging? Like, that is so adorable. So let's dive into this one right here. So this is the Duo one. It costed me, like I said, $13. I don't think that would include shipping. I got mine for free, so it was really, really good. This one says, do not freeze. It's latex, brush on, strip adhesive. Make sure that the band fits, apply it and wait 30 seconds and apply lashes to it. So let's open this one up and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is its little packaging here. It is, how big is this thing? It is 5 grams or 0.18 ounces. So I think it's pretty reasonable. It looks a little bit runny. When I'm going like this, I can see like a little bubble up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is moving around a bit. So I'm a little bit scared because I haven't, like I said, I haven't brought eyelash glue for a while, and the last one I brought wasn't this runny. So we will see how this goes. Okay, so I've seen a few different ways to apply it on TikTok, especially where you can apply it straight to the eyelash. The way that I used to do it was straight onto these things and then onto the eyelash. I'm just going to be using these ones that I bought years and years ago off eBay. They're just cheapo sets, just to give this a whirl. I like to apply these with my fingers because I just find it's easier. So the first trick I'm going to do is literally go and apply this glue. So we're going to open this one up, see what it's like. Okay, so this is quite runny. Right, so I've got it like this. I'm going to do this one straight onto the eyelash, like what I've seen on TikTok. So supposedly you're meant to put it on to towards your eyelash line, it'll be really easy to apply lashes. So we'll see if this hack works. So I'm just going to wait for a little bit for that one to dry, and then we're going to stick this straight onto there. I'm just going to bend my eyelashes around a little bit, just so they'll fit to my eye a little bit better than normal. I feel like that's long enough now, so we're just going to go and apply this one straight to the eyelash. Overall, this lash glue is really good. I'm really happy with the product. Would I give this one a 10 out of 10? I think that it is easy to apply, so I will give it that. Do I think that this is the best lash glue out there? I'm not sure, because I haven't used lash glue in like years. So I probably would give this one an 8 out of 10. It seemed that it was really easy to apply. It just didn't, I feel like it didn't dry quick enough for my liking, where I could actually get it tacky to get my lashes on easily. But please let me know if you guys have tried this one before, how successful you guys were, and also if there is a better technique to put eyelashes on, because it has been yonk doodles since I have put eyelashes on, and I just feel like I might need some work on those. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys love this product. I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this review. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time. I love you all. Bye.